Fresh food is growing in Gary, Indiana, and it's being farmed by teenagers. As Fox 32's Joni Lem reports, healthy choices are taking root.
10 years ago, the leaders of Progressive Community Church heard a calling. They were to start a farm in Gary, Indiana.
They stepped out on faith, hence Faith Farms, because it was literally a leap of faith that has now begun to manifest itself.
Now, in their 9th growing season, the farm produces strawberries, mustard greens, chicken and duck eggs, goat's milk and honey. Faith Farms boxes food for needy families and gives local youth life skills.
I get how to grow my own food. I get some marketing skills because we do sell some of the fruit, and also I get experience.
The young farmers take a 7-week classroom course in biology, agronomy, and ecology, and then the fun part, caring for the plants and animals.
What's your favorite part of this work?
My favorite part, working with the animals, especially the goats. They're really calming. They come up to you, they like to get petted. You just enjoy their company.
Out the street. Get a chance to feed the ducks, herd the goats, feed the chickens, right? And then also, as far as putting plants in the ground, learn about permaculture, learn about conservation and saving and environmental issues.
The farm runs on solar power, produces feed for the animals, and cultivates hope.
Honestly, it's just about the sense of community that you get with doing all of this. You meet new people every season, and just like learning how to cooperate with others and learning how to take those skills and take them to your own family, your own community.
Gary's past was industrial. The future could be in agriculture.
Along the time, Gary has been in ruins over time, and I feel like this is kind of like a comeback, you know, a little comeback.
I know, so great. What a special program they have there. Joni is joining us live now. Joni, is it true you heard the goats and then went over to check it all out? You like heard them going, ah.
You cannot resist the goats. I was covering a fire that day, and when things quieted down, I could hear all these goats. And then Minister Kevin Cobb was out there, and he said, I'm just waiting for my teenage farmers to get here. And that's when I said, can I come over and see? And he took me on a tour of this just little urban plot right there in Gary. But, you know, don't sleep on them. They've also got hydroponics, solar power. They're making honey. They're providing fresh food to the neighbors. It's a great organization. But those goats, they just got me. I couldn't resist the goats. Big fat hens, ducks, you saw in the video. So all this livestock, plus the wonderful crops that they're making. That rooster is a ham, if you ask me.
Oh, that's great. Don't you love when you just run into such a fascinating story?
I'm like
just
the
goes to
goat
show you.
morning reporter on the goats.
Yeah, right, there you go. There you go. I love that. Yeah, that was fun. Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah,
Thank you.